What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing San Antonio once again. I have not done a video like this in quite some time. I filmed 2 videos here in San Antonio before, but we're back at the OG spot, the first spot I ever came to. I'm here with Malcolm today. We're gonna be fishing this little pond. We're gonna try our best today to catch as many fish as we possibly can. Bluegill, bass, just try and make it happen. Explore San Antonio, see if we can find some pretty cool spots. That's the goal for today, to find pretty cool spots, catch bass in unexpected areas. So we'll see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it. All right, folks, we are at the pond. Last time I got some weird looks. I didn't get kicked out though, but I have a feeling that today we might get kicked out. I don't know how the bite is. I don't know how the fish are. I don't know if this area got pressured ever since I posted that video, so we'll see how it is today. We're just gonna fish, try and catch fish, try and make it happen. Give this spot about an hour. If we don't catch fish here in an hour, we're gonna head out of here, go to another spot. But we're gonna try our absolute best, find some hidden gems of San Antonio and see if we can land a giant bass. Let's get to it. Oh, that's a fish. Got one, everybody. First fish of the video. Let's freaking go. Another dink. I say first fish of the video because I caught one right now, but I was not recording, which was my bad. It was a little bit bigger than this one, but it was still a dink, so I'm not too salty about it. But first fish of the video, first fish of the trip. Technically second, you know, but first fish of the video. Little dink, I will take it though. Last time I was catching around the same size also. A bunch of small fish. I kind of tore up his lip, kind of feel bad, but not bad. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. Let's freaking go. Second fish of the day, first fish of the video. Gonna keep grinding. Last time I was using the bandito bug, it was absolutely slaying the fish also, so gonna stick to it, keep fishing, see if we can catch some more bass, but not bad. I will take it. Just get murked. Oh, he has it right in front of me. Got him right in front of me. That was freaking insane. I wasn't sure if I got murked or not, and I was like, did I just get murked? And I kind of just twitched it and right in front of me swiped at it. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, I love when I catch fish like that, when you just see them like swipe at it right in front of you. Last time I came, all the fish seemed stunted also. I think these are new fish, little dinks. Another healthy little fish, really green. Second fish of the video, another dink about the same size. Back in the water he goes. Dude, either that's a freaking tank or like grass. It's a lot of grass. Take it, buddy. Got one. I sight fish this fish right in front of me. All right, buddy. All right, chill, chill, chill. Looks like he's been caught before right there. Little dinker, a little bit bigger. Look at his mouth. What the heck? It's like really crooked. He's been caught a few times. I will take it nevertheless. Third fish of the day. He's really antsy. He wants to get back down there, so I'm gonna go and let him go. Hey, hey, hey. There he goes. Back in the water. Got one. First fish for Malcolm. He's been trying to catch one for 5 years now, and finally got one. There he goes. Bro, what is that? That's a giant fish if it's a fish. It's gotta be a fish. Whatever it is, it's freaking giant, dude. All right, folks, we made it to the second spot of the day. Doesn't look like much, but I'm 99% sure there's fish in here. Malcolm doesn't think there's fish in here, but there's also a pocket down there where I've seen a guy catch a bass, so I'm gonna try my best to catch fish here. Let's see if we can at least catch a bluegill in here. Go!
Yeah, I can't believe you did that.
Bro, I just had one. You saw that, right? That was a bluegill. Dude, I told you there's fish in here. I didn't even feel him. I felt him at first a little bit, and then I just saw my line go. I at least want to catch one fish out of here. You're not gonna fish?
Huh?
You're not gonna fish?
Down there, yeah.
Oh, I just got murked, dude.
Oh,
got one. Got one, everybody. Oh, no way, dude. No.
Keep a step on it.
Yeah, I stepped on it. Dude, out of a freaking dirt canal. Oh my gosh, everybody. Spot number 2. Dang, I did not expect that. I know there's like bass down there, but in here, I did not expect to catch a little bass. And the water's pretty low right now. Insane. Oh my gosh. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go. That was insane. I can't believe I caught this fish out of here. There he goes. Oh my gosh, that is freaking insane. Oh, I got murked again. Another one. What is that? Oh, dude, what the heck was that?
What was it? I saw orange.
I saw orange too. That was probably like a really colorful like bluegill. That was orange.
I saw the orange right here.
That was probably like a crazy bluegill.
Are there fish in there?
Yeah, surprisingly. Oh, I got one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Yo, dude, the bluegill here. What in the world?
Why is that red?
I have no clue why the heck that's red. Dude, that's insane. His eye is red. What the heck? Look at this bluegill, dude. They're so antsy in here too. It's like red. All right, folks, what is that? Second bluegill I catch? No, first bluegill I catch.
Yeah.
Back in the water he goes. This spot's pretty cool. It may seem like there's no fish here, but surprisingly there is. I got a fish on. Got one. Oh, that's a big one. That is a giant one. Dude, he inhaled it. All right, I gotta get my pliers for this one. All right, everybody, I got the hook out, but I kind of gut hooked this fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and release him real quick. Back in the water he goes. I'm not too sure how deep it is there. I'm sorry, buddy, but wanted to get him back in the water as quickly as possible. Absolutely slaying them here. The bluegill here are, I've never seen bluegill like this. Crazy, the colors of these bluegill. They're like red. It's just insane. So we're gonna keep fishing, keep trying to catch bluegill, and maybe even catch another bass. We're gonna try down there here in a bit. There's a cool little pocket, so we'll see how that goes. Bluegill. Got him. Dude, they're insane in here. What the heck? You got one too? Doubled up? Let's freaking go. I can't hold them though. I can't hold them. They're just... I can't, dude. I can't hold them. They're freaking insane. I'm trying to show the colors on this fish, but they're like super antsy. It's like red. Like weird red. Is yours like that too?
A little bit.
Red? What the heck? Doubled up? Back in the water they go. All right, folks, we came down to this spot. This is actually a pretty cool little spot, but I've been here once and the water clarity was good and I did not see any fish in here. So it's a bummer that there's no fish in here. I wish there was, but there isn't. So we're gonna fish this little pocket right here just for a bit, see if we can catch anything. If we can't, we might try another pond or two, see if we can catch them. We want to at least try and find one pond where we just absolutely slay them, but we're gonna give it a shot here and see if we can catch them. Oh, that's thunder. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. We caught, how many fish did we catch, dude? I think 4 bass.
5 bass.
5 bass. Well, me and him combined 5 bass and maybe like 6 or 7 bluegill around there. So not a bad day at all. We fished a lot of areas today. Like we were hopping around. This is the last location of the day right here, as you can tell, but we didn't get any bites and we're gonna head out of here because there's some thunderstorms coming, flash flood warning. So we're gonna head out of here. End the day short. We would fish some more spots, but like I said, it's gonna rain. Hopefully tomorrow we might continue a part 2. That'd be a separate video and see if we can find some more spots. But if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.